Have you been dreaming of owning an ocean view condo in Tamarindo that's brand new? I have just the answer for you. Welcome to Tamarindo 360 Unit 102. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in this gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. Let's go, come check it out with me. When you come through the front door, you have an entire wall of closets. This is perfect for your beach toys and your sunscreen. You also have a full laundry. But most of all, I'm drawn to this ocean view that you see right away when you walk in. This condo is split into two sections. You have the social area, which is this long social open area with great ocean views, and you've got 3 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms in the back area. There's something to be said about having a brand new kitchen. So beautiful, this white countertop and these wood-looking two-tone cupboards, brand new appliances. I'm imagining all my friends and family all sitting here, serving cocktails, serving drinks, and us having the best time here at the beach. One of my favorite things about this condo is this terrace. You've got teak ceilings, you've got a barbecue, plenty of space for outdoor dining, room for chairs, and best of all, front row center to this incredible view. You can see the boats in the bay, you can see the white sands of Tamarindo. This would be the wonderful and the best spot to watch the sunset. The condo is 2,418 square feet. There's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Let's go take a look at them. Here's the master suite. You have a big walk-in closet, beautiful lighting details, patio doors that take you out to this ocean view terrace, and a gorgeous bathroom that has 2 sinks. I always get drawn to the view. There's 2 guest suites, each have their own ensuite bathroom. There's plenty of space if you want to have a bed and a desk here. Here in the common area, they have an air-conditioned gym. They have everything you need to stay in great shape to rock your bikini on the beach. Cardio and weights. One of the best things about Tamarindo 360 is the community pool. You're sharing with hardly anyone, and you've got a jacuzzi and this great length pool, and you've got these amazing ocean views. Here would be the best spot to have your cocktail at night, watch the sunset, and just soak up this beautiful life in Costa Rica. From the Tamarindo 360 building, you can walk to the beach and you can walk to the bars and restaurants. Playa Tamarindo is one of the Gold Coast's top destinations here in Costa Rica. There you're going to find great restaurants, amazing nightclubs, wonderful surfing, a great place just to kick back and relax. Nothing gets better than sunny days in Costa Rica, splashing in the pool. If you would like this pool and this dream to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Pura vida.